How to use KFC coupon code. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll go out to the steps on how you can use KFC coupon code. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me go out to quick to this video. Now, in order to use coupon code, there is a certain trick around. You can't directly add the coupon code into your account. There is a trick to it. What you'll have to do is simply go ahead and open up your KFC app or your account on the app or either website. Then you want to place the order. So here, as you can see, once you go ahead and open it up, you can go ahead and choose the product that you like to purchase and place your order. Once you have placed your order, the next step is you'll be on the checkout page where you'll have to enter in your payment details. There you shall find the option that says promo code or coupon code. In that box, you'll be able to enter in your coupon code and you can use it and apply it to make the purchase. So this is how you can easily use the promo code on KFC or the coupon code. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe.